Hi guys, this is Ed and welcome to my YouTube channel, Stocks DIY. So now I'm showing you about market depth in Sharesies. So a lot of people are asking about the market depth and if it is worth it to subscribe to this option. And you need to pay a $10 subscription fee in Sharesies to have this activated. So the $10 is like a $10 in a month, so you can just turn it on and off in a month, so you don't have to pay continuously for that. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and like and follow me in my journey. I'm also a learner about stock investment and stock trading. I'm just showing you what I'm doing right now. So I'll show you an example about the market depth. You can see here $3.16 per share. That means this one is delayed by at least 20 minutes, so you don't really know how much the actual or the real time price of the stocks. So if you purchase, normally you select this one at $3.16, then invest and set the limit. So normally you do it like this, then set the limit buy, and let's say you choose like 1,000 or 100 or whatever, or 10, then you put here the $3.16. okay, but sometimes you will lose money on that way because the actual price is lower or much lower than the one you choose. Although sometimes if there's a available price lower, then Sharesies broker will choose that one, but in some cases it is higher. So if the actual price is higher, then you just keep on waiting for the order to be filled, but it's not happening. So if you have a market depth, you will have a good idea of what is the current price. So see here. Right now, the last traded is $3.05 compared to $3.16 that is shown in the front page of the Sharesies. Okay. So, for example, you have $1,000. You purchase it. You purchase the stock at 3.05. Then you have 327. Let me write it down. So about 327 shares, and if you purchase like a $1,000, purchase at 3.16, then you have 316 shares only. So 327 minus 316 equals the 11. So there is 11 shares difference, and if you multiply that with the current price, 3.05, then basically you have a $33.55 difference on the $1,000 investment. But if you only use like a $100, then there's like a $3.35 difference, and that is just only one transaction, and you are paying $10 for the whole month. So if you are doing this transaction every day, then most likely you will gain more instead of if you compare it to just a $10 investment on the subscription. So I think it's still worth it if you are doing a lot or buying and selling a lot in Sharesies to have the market depth. Okay, so I think this explanation will give you an idea if you really wanted to subscribe to market depth in Sharesies. So again, please follow me in my journey by subscribing in this channel, and again, thank you for watching.